Hello my friends, in this video tutorial we will be making this. Files will be available for download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Okay, now you can see here I have Fusion open and everything is here. When I click on the media out, you will see the animation, and to explain, I have a rectangle go inside the background. Background is small, 850 pixel. Go inside the emitter, particle emitter, and this particle emitter will have the velocity variance, and a lifespan of 2 seconds, because my timeline is 60 seconds, 60 fps, one line in 4 frames. Here I have size controls. Size is 0.5. Next one I have line. This is the line when I press here on the particular renderer, the number 1 on the keyboard, you can see the line here. When I rotate, this is the line, and the beginning on the left and going to the right. Next one, renderer. I use the software renderer, and I only uncheck the auto resolution, use full HD. Go inside the glow, small shadow, and here I have background and merge. If I want my lines to go from the right to the left, I can just flip it here, and now they go to other side. And now let's make this. Go inside the FX library, go in custom nodes, and I will take the media out. Custom node for media out is only to change the custom resolution full HD. Only background to full HD, go inside the merge and media out. Okay, drag and drop the merge, another background here, connect like this, connect to the media out, and this background will be uncheck auto resolution, use 1920 1080. This background copy and paste it here. This background will be 800 pixels and height will be 50 pixels. Take one rectangle, connect, enlarge everything to 1 with height and corner radius. And now click on the background to see. As you can see, our line is here. Color change to white, and now particle emitter and particle renderer and renderer 3D. Connect everything. Go inside the renderer 3D, change the auto resolution to full HD, 1920 1080. Particle renderer, don't change anything. Particle emitter, and here in the you can see style, we will choose the bitmap. And now bitmap, just this background connect to the particle emitter, and we will get everything finished when we click on the media out number 2 on the keyboard. And our lines are here. And we will use the line, this is the region, and change the numbers. Start X offset will be -2 and will be -2. Start Y offset will be -0.84. Y and offset will be 0.912. This is the exact size for the full HD, and they will go from the left to the right. Controls, velocity will be 0.43. Velocity variance will be 0.1. The number, we will choose 0.25, and number variance will be 0, and lifespan will be 2 seconds, 120 frames, and this is basically finished. Now when we scroll to the timeline, we see the lines here. Now change the size controls. Size will be 0.5 and size variance 0.5. Now click this on this renderer here. We will use the shadow like this and change the softness 0.015. Use another glow. Now change the background to some green color, something like this. This look nice. And in this background, this is for the line color, something like this, and we are done. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if you have any questions, and I will see you in another video.